In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $2,000 per day with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you don't believe me, look right here. As you can see, today, it is only 4 o'clock. I've done over $2,000. And if we come over here to yesterday, I did 1.6K. And I'm going to reveal the 3 steps that got me to those numbers. Let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it, cut the fluff and BS, and show you guys the 3 steps on how to make $2,000 per day with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. For those that don't know me, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been creating content. I've been an affiliate for the last 7 years. I've generated 7 figures in commissions. And today I want to give you guys those 3 steps that have allowed me to build a successful TikTok Shop affiliate business. So if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's jump into my screen and dive into these 3 steps that are going to help you guys make more money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, if you guys are unaware, the opportunity that you have at your feet is unbelievable. It's literally a gold mine of an opportunity. So if you guys are not taking advantage of it, I hope that this motivates and inspires you to really go all in. And then if you're the individual where you kind of have been on the fence, you've kind of been dabbling in it, I hope that this will give you a sense of direction to say, I need to go all in. Because seriously, this opportunity is unbelievable. So with that being said, let's dive into the first step to help you make 2K per day, and that is find viral products. This is where I see so many affiliates just drop the ball. They think that they can promote any product and they're going to succeed. But I hate to break it to you, there is actually strategy when it comes to finding products to make videos about. So instead of wasting your time hoping that a video goes viral or hoping that a product performs well, let's actually find products that are proven and that we know are going to perform well. Now, the equation is very simple and I'm going to break it down. So let's come over here and dive into my screen and I'll show you guys a step-by-step process on how I'm finding these products. And I use a tool called CaloData. This is an absolute game changer and I will put the link down below where you guys can get an exclusive 10% discount. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this products tab and right here you've got these filters. We're going to look at the last 30 days. You can select a category that you're interested in. So if you are, for example, super into beauty and makeup, or if you guys have a dog or a cat and you guys are interested in making videos about a certain topic, which I highly recommend to make videos of products that you understand and that you actually use yourself, because it's 10 times easier to make the video and actually explain what the product does. So you can select a category. For this example, I'm not going to worry about it. And then you can come over here to the revenue. And what we want is we want a product that has good revenue. We don't want to be selling a product that has 0 sales, because if it has 0 sales, it's going to be an uphill battle and you're basically hoping that people want the product. But if a product is already selling, we know that customers like it. And so what we want to do is we want to find a product that is doing at least, let's say, $20,000 and select whether or not it is an affiliate product. This is something that people don't even realize is there are products that you cannot even promote. So you might as well find the ones that you can. So we want to make sure that it is an affiliate product. Then we're going to come over here to the creator number. This is where we want to find kind of that sweet spot where we don't want too many creators, but we don't want a product that has no creators. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say we want a minimum of at least, we'll say 10 creators and a maximum of 100. Because if there's more than 100, it could mean that the product is a little saturated. And if there's not any, then it's like, okay, why is that the case? Well, maybe it's because they know better than you do. And it's a new product and it's not as sustainable and it doesn't have as much potential. So that's why I select that. Then we come over here, we'll hit apply. And then the last thing is looking at the commission rate. And I'm going to go in and I will adjust this and basically look at 15 to 20%, and then I'll look at 20 to 30%, but I don't really want less than 10% just because if I'm going to be promoting a product, I want to get the highest commission that I possibly can. And what I've seen, the products are basically the best ones that I've promoted are kind of between that range, between 10 to 20%. If you can find a product, and sometimes they have commission bonus that are higher than that, then it just means every sale that you get, you make that much more money. And so we'll just start between 15 to 20%. We'll hit submit. And then from there, it's going to find us products that fit that particular criteria. And so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to be able to find a lot of different products that are obviously crushing it. I mean, they've sold 23,000 units. So like, if I don't even know what this is, but again, if you're a girl and you understand makeup, this could be a fantastic product. I mean, $560,000 in the last 30 days. This acid cleaner, I actually did a review on this and I'm making more videos as we speak. And this is a product that I've actually generated commissions on. And so right here is this acid cleaner that cleans literally anything, and you can make some really cool videos. And so then you can come over here and you can actually hover over the video and you can actually get some video ideas, which we'll talk about here in a second. And so basically, literally, you can find products that fit that criteria. And then from there, those are the ones that you actually want to make videos about. Instead of guessing and instead of just going through your house and hoping that you find the perfect product, you have to actually do product research. Now, there's a lot of questions that people ask when it comes to like, okay, well, how do I get the product? So there's two ways. You either buy them. So yes, you spend $20, $15, $100 to buy 5 products. And if you're like, oh, that's too much, well, you're in the wrong business. Like you shouldn't even start a business to begin with. So that's my message to you that are scared to spend a couple $100s to buy products to then review. But once you actually get some momentum going and you start getting sales, then sellers will actually give you free products and you will be able to request a free sample. But that only comes if you have generated commissions, if you have generated revenue. If you have generated nothing and your account has not generated one single sale, there's no seller that is going to send you a product for free, period. So you need to go and find the best products. And this is why you need to do product research and spend, yes, $20, $30, $100. It's not the end of the world, because if you can do what I'm about to break down properly, well, as you can see, I'm making $2,000 a day. So that $100 investment is an absolute no-brainer. It's the same thing for this software. It's $40. It's a no-brainer. Yes, you have to be willing to invest a tiny fraction into yourself and in your business. There are other businesses that I've started that have required 6 figures and I haven't seen returns yet. And there's been businesses that I've invested 6 figures and I literally lost it all. So when we're talking about a couple $100s, it's literally nothing. So do not get scared when we talk about investing $20, $30, $40, $50. And if you can't invest that amount of money, then again, business is not for you and you should be focusing on your job and budgeting a little bit better. So with that being said, let's come back to the product research part. And again, we can find lists of products. I already showed you guys one that I found, and we can come to page 3 and we can just literally keep scrolling. And this is another one that I have something similar, but I haven't made a video on it. But that's another one. A backpack, I don't know if it's the same exact one, but I've made a video on a backpack and it's done really well. And so anyways, you find the product, and once you have found a product that fits that criteria, you know that it is going to perform if, and that leads into the second step, which is making viral videos. This is, again, just as important as the first step, because if you have the first step dialed in, you've got a good product, but you don't make a good viral video, well, then kind of defeats the purpose. So all of these steps, they kind of blend in with each other. And if you don't do one, or if you just do 2, or you just do 1, it doesn't work. You have to literally implement every single thing together in order to see the success that you want. So that second tip of making viral videos is crucial. There's kind of 2 tips that I can give you. The first one is having good hooks. You have the first 1 to 3 seconds to grab the audience's attention to make sure that they stop scrolling. And if you don't catch their attention, they literally see your video and they scroll. They see your video and scroll. You want them to want to watch your video. And the way that you do that is with hooks. So I actually put together free hooks that I'm going to give to you completely free. All you need to do is scan this QR code and we'll take it to you where you enter your email and I will send them to you, or I'll put the link in the description and you guys can take advantage of these hooks that will help you. So that's the first tip that I can give you. The second one is right here. Let's say I want to promote this backpack. You can come over here using CaloData and you can see which videos have performed well. And you can literally learn from the content creators that are already making money promoting this product. So what you do is you watch their videos. You're like, okay, I like this, I like that, and then you make it your own. It's not rocket science. You literally just replicate success. We found products that are doing good revenue, 100,000. Like they're crushing it. They've got a 15% commission rate. The average price is $40. And then we come over here and we watch the videos of what she is doing to generate that type of revenue. And then you just replicate it. So that's the secret sauce to viral videos. You got the hooks, and then you go use CaloData and you figure out what affiliates are currently doing to promote that product, and then you just make it your own. If you can find a good product and then make a good viral video, well, that is the recipe to success, which we're gonna get into the third step, which is probably the most important. And I know I've said that quite a few times, but this is seriously the most important, because if you don't do this, then you're never gonna see results. And that is post, post, post. You're probably like, Trevin, you suck. You made me watch this video to the very end to hear you say that I need to post. No, I'm telling you right now, this is seriously what separates the winners and the losers. This is what separates you making $2,000 a day or $2 a day. The more you post, the more results you're going to get. Now, I put this at the very end for a reason, because you don't want to just post terrible stuff. You want to post viral products and viral videos. And if you can focus on those two things and then post those types of videos, you are setting yourself up for success, period. This is the exact recipe. And for my TikTok affiliate business, it wasn't until I implemented all three is when I started seeing the massive success. And what would happen is I would focus on the viral products. But then when it came to the video, I would take shortcuts and I was like, the hook doesn't matter. I'm just going to throw it up and it's going to go viral and I'm going to make money. Or there were some months where I would post one time a day or once every other day, or there are some months where I was like, I'm going to post a ton, but then the video quality sucked or the product quality sucked. And I wasn't really incorporating all of these three things together. And over the last, I would say 2-3 weeks, that is when I have really taken things serious. I have found good products. I have focused on my hooks. I have focused on good quality videos, and I have been posting. We're talking 5 to 10 videos per day. And that might sound crazy, but it's really very, very doable with the systems that I have in place. And just like that, I'm literally printing money. And what I want to do to wrap up this video is, it's been 20 minutes or so since I filmed the intro. Let's see what my commissions are now just in the 20 minutes that I've been filming. I went up, I think $70. So I'm almost at $2,100 on the day, and it's 4:10 p.m. We still got a lot of daylight left. Anyways, the TikTok Shop affiliate program is absolutely insane, and I want you guys to take advantage of it. These 3 steps are crucial. And so you need to really go all in and focus on viral products, viral videos, and post. Again, you guys can scan this QR code to get the 10 viral hooks. I'll put all the links in the description down below to CaloData, to the viral hooks, and some additional resources that you guys can check out. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or what videos you would like to see in the future, and we'll be talking soon.